Hey guys, this is Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. Hey guys, this is Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. Today I have another product, another CarPlay device, but it's a very different and a unique one. The reason why I say unique is that most of the CarPlay wireless adapters you find in the market are compatible with iPhones only. You rarely find anything that is compatible with Android mobiles. Now, this product, which is from the Ottocast company, is actually a 2-in-1 adapter, means that it is compatible with both iPhones as well as Android mobiles. So you can use the Apple CarPlay system or the Android Auto system in your car. So let's do a quick unboxing and then we will take this out to my car and test all the different features. Alright guys, let's do the unboxing. As you can see, is a standard Ottocast box. Most of their CarPlay devices come in this kind of a box with the logo. It's black and there isn't much information on the box. Let's open it. There you go. This is the Ottocast 2-in-1 CarPlay adapter. Looks quite nice. The logo is also quite nice. It's not printed, it's actually probably engraved. Alright, keep it on the side. Let's open it to see what else do we get. We've got user manual, which is very important to find all the details on how to connect the device with the mobile and then how to connect it with the car. And then finally we have the cables to connect the device with the car. Now it comes with two cables. One is type A to type C, and this is what I need for the car, and the other one is type C to type C. So in case you have a type C port in the system of your car, you would need to connect this device. But for my car, which is a type A port, I would use this cable, where I would just need to connect this cable here, and then this socket goes into the USB port in my car. That's it guys, not much in the box. So we are now ready to take this out to my car, connect it and test all the different features. So we have the U2-X Ottocast 2-in-1 adapter ready. We will connect this USB port A with the system of my car now. Alright, so I've connected the adapter. It will take a few seconds for the device to start up and then sync with the system, and then it will give us the instructions on how to connect it with the mobile. So there you go. So by default it basically gives us the Android Auto connection. So what we need to do is open Bluetooth. There we will find a new device appearing as Auto B493. Click on that. And then we get this message requesting to pair. Click on pair, and then we would see that the device is now connected. There you go. Now we should be able to see the Android Auto homepage on the screen in a few seconds. Alright, so now we are on the Android Auto system. As soon as the mobile connected the device with Bluetooth, it takes us to this homepage. This is the standard homepage of Android Auto. We can continue to go to the actual homepage. I don't have location switched on my mobile, so it will not show us the map, but what we can do is go to the main homepage. Now this is the main homepage of Android Auto system. Again, this is a standard homepage. No matter which adapter you use or whether you use a cable to connect your mobile with the system, you will still see this homepage. Now this homepage would have all the standard applications, and again you can install more apps that are compatible with Android Auto, which will then show you on this homepage. Now let's test a few things to see if the Android Auto system is working. Let's make a call. Alright, so we can see that the Android Auto system is actually working with the calls. Okay, let's go back to the home page. Then you have the map. Click on this. We select a destination, and as we can see, now it's working. Now if you want to know more about the different functions and features of Android Auto, you can again go to the other video I had made on all the features and functions of Android Auto. I'll provide the link of that video in the description of this video. Now let's go to let's play some music. That's the last thing I would like to test on this. So I can see it's playing. Let's see if, okay, so the steering wheel controls are also working. Alright guys, so we've tested Android Auto. This particular 2-in-1 adapter U2-X from Ottocast is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. It is quite fast. Now what I would do is I will run a quick speed test. That's one of the important factors with any of these wireless adapters. How long does it take to switch on when we plug it in? My stopwatch is ready. I will unplug the device and then plug it back in, and then start the timer. So it brings us back to this page, but because our mobile is already connected with the device, it should then direct us to this home page. Alright, so 29 seconds for Android Auto to connect. Very fast, I must say. Anything less than 30 seconds would be very fast. I have tested other boxes, other devices, other adapters which even go beyond 50-second mark. So I would classify anything under 30 seconds would be a very decent fast device. Now this is the Apple CarPlay connection page. What we would need to do is go to our Bluetooth, and we will find this Auto B493 as a new device appearing. Click on that. We get to this page where we would need to pair the device, allow it to sync the favorites and contacts, and then you can see it's connected. Now in a few seconds we would be able to see the home page of Apple CarPlay on the screen here. There you go. So it's very easy to use. It's just plug and play, and you connect the device with your mobile using Bluetooth, and then it gets you to this main home page of Apple CarPlay. It would appear the same way with any adapter, or even if you connect your mobile with the wire. The only purpose of this Ottocast 2-in-1 U2-X adapter is to remove the wire, the cable that you connect your mobile with. So you connect this device and it converts CarPlay from wired to wireless. So this is the standard home page. Let me give you a quick tour. On the left you have the time, the strength of your mobile signal, the battery on your mobile, and the last 3 applications used. This icon on the bottom left is actually for split screen. Gives you a very nice view of the map and the music which is playing and your calendar. Click on this button, takes you back to this home page. Now on the front page you have all the standard apps appearing. You have this Toyota button. Basically it takes you back to the main original system of your car. So on the next page you have additional applications appearing. Now only those applications that are installed on your mobile and are compatible with Apple CarPlay will appear here. Many other applications, like for example Facebook, doesn't come here because it's not compatible with CarPlay in general. So now what we would do is, in order to test the performance of this particular adapter, we will just go through a few functions of CarPlay. Now if you want to know everything about the CarPlay system, you should go and check out my other video on CarPlay, where I have in detail explained all the functions and features of CarPlay. I will provide the link of that particular video in the description of this video. So let's quickly run a few tests to see if this device is working fine. So the first thing I would like to test is Siri. So hey Siri, play some music.
Playing all songs.
Alright, so Siri is working. What I would do is also test, hey Siri, stop the music. So Siri is working, the controls on the steering are also working. Now let's test the navigation app. Hey Siri, take me to Mercato Mall.
Getting directions to Mercado Shopping Mall.
Alright, that's very nice. So Siri is also working with the navigation app is also working. That's quite nice. Hey Siri, call Ibster.
Calling Ibster. Home.
Alright, let's see if it calls the right number. There you go, it does. Alright, so the calling system is also working with Siri. That's great, guys. So Apple CarPlay seems to be working in perfect order. So now we will test the startup speed of Apple CarPlay. I've got my stopwatch ready. I will unplug the adapter now and then plug it back in and then start the timer. "21 seconds. This is definitely one of the fastest adapter when it comes to Apple CarPlay. I don't know why it took a little longer on the Android auto test, but 21 seconds is really fast. Very impressive. So overall, I really like the device. It's one of the first 2-in-1 wireless CarPlay as well as Android Auto adapter. Very nice, very small, decent size. You can put it next to the adapter, next to the USB connection in your car. Looks quite nice. It's not very bulky, very lightweight, and best of all, I think it works both with Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto system. So if you have two mobiles, you can certainly use them. Unfortunately, you can't use both of them together. You can only connect one mobile at a time. But other than that, I think one impressive thing was on the speed, especially on Apple CarPlay. Definitely one of the faster adapter that I've seen. So guys, if you are interested to buy this device, just go to the description of this video. You'll find a link that takes you directly to the manufacturer's website. If you have any questions about this device, just drop me a WhatsApp message. I've provided a direct WhatsApp message link in the description of this video. Finally, please do subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks.